was back in the basement, dreaming of charts, no time for complacent. Now we mad with the team elevation, alumni deep, every name foundation. Jesus said 77 got that light. Melissa one love, hold it down every night. Alexander G, my boss, Queen Job D. Been them ready, whole chat nods. RS Miller in the logic and pace, breaking down, dead in a silent space. Maybe a bandage with polyrhythm fire, triplets and time patterns that inspire. All set, hop and bring the tank, stacking knowledge while the moon boy sang. That's a throwback grind, no gimmick. LBC built this wave up in it. Miller same crew, dropping 3, 2, 1.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Back in the Discord, with passion, Piper's precision. Bucks never crashing, BC, poor core, macro locked in. OC, God, keep it quiet, but he wins. Frank, bring firewall, set, bring steel. Hard truck charts that bend what's real. Maybe in the lab with the rhythm off grid, beating out beats like a blockchain kid. LBC vision, no hype, no fear. Built from the bottom, now the message clear. This ain't just TA, it's timeline travel. We swing the waves, with the normies unravel. Throw it back, countdown layered in 5, 4. Drop incoming.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Remember the nights when the screen went cold. No wins, just lessons in gold. We learned that we never fold. Now we rise in the rhythm we hold. Every loss was a line, every bounce a theme. We built this crew from a charted dream. Hollywood the first twist with a time aligns. Alumni born in the climb.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Throw it back, what we've been
Through, yeah.
We learned and we never fold. Now we rise in the rhythm we hold. Every loss was a line, every bounce a theme. We built this crew from a charted dream. Hollywood a twist where the time aligns. Alumni born in the climb. What we've been through, yeah.
Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beaches top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dollar shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with rulers by lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows.
Welcome to Markets After Dark. We go mad on the charts right here on the Piper Academy Network, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, today and tomorrow for the final time. How's everybody doing? I am Lunar Beaches Crypto, and I have summoned the moon gods, and they have spoken, and they said, it's all green, baby. We're going to the moon. Why? Well, because we gotta. Or it's over. Why am I talking like this? I have no idea. Probably to make it more suspenseful. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Hope you all had an amazing Wednesday. It was a pretty good day. Super hot again, as always. Not as always, but you know what I mean. It was super hot today. I about died pulling some lights today, and yeah, that stuff sucked. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Hope you all had an amazing day. I know I would have had an amazing day had I I don't know, trusted my TA. You got to trust your TA, guys, because I mean, I've been pointing this level out all week, and we finally get to it, and I didn't pull the trigger. Mostly because I was at work, and I couldn't watch it appropriately. So now, I have to wait. And that's okay. Wifey said everyone say hey no matter who you are, and I'm supposed to say who says hey. Hi. Wait, you say who says hey? So I can't say hey until you say that I can say hey? What is this? Paradox? Guys, how's it going? Let's go ahead and bring you guys up. What's going on, Madhouse? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Thank you for the super sticker, Alexandra unit. $9.99 super sticker. Thank you for donating to the Piper Academy. Greatly appreciate you, Alexandra G. Good evening to you. And thank you, as always, for pinning the Discord link in the chat at the very top there. Make sure you guys join the Piper Academy Discord. It is only $5 a month. All you got to do is join the YouTube, become a YouTube member, and you get access to that. What's in it? Well, wouldn't you like to know? A whole bunch of stuff. Has to do with trading and markets and stuff. It's worth it. Just get in there, okay? Kelly, what's going on? Hey, David. Hey. Hi. Kasim. What's going on, Kasim? How you doing, brother? Hope you are well, my friend. Haven't seen you in a while. Curtis Hill, good evening to you. Jesus say 77, 77, 77. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Jesus saves. God bless. Jay Violet, good evening. I know you're at work. I think you said that if I go on an hour earlier, that would actually work out better for you. So, and I'm definitely thinking I'm going to be doing that once I move over to my channel, is going an hour earlier. Because getting done with this stream at 11 o'clock at night is for the birds. But we don't even know how long that'll last because of, you know, with the baby on the way and all that. So I don't know. But anyways, what's going on, Harp? Metal horns in the sky. How you doing? Hope you had a wonderful day. All set. We're going to the moon. Rockets to the moon. Good evening, all set. Good friend. That's an awesome friend right there. All set. Amazing. Curtis Hill. Oh, it's your morning, right? Who? Me? No. Who? Someone else? Probably. Not me. Jay Violet. Already said hi. Hi again, though. Is that everybody? JR, did I share this yet or get distracted on X? I don't know that you shared it. but you can share my post. Thank you. Thank you, JR. How you doing, Ninja Art of Crypto? What's going on? Duality C in the house. What's going on? Waving to the aliens. David Gelfin, what's going on, my friend? Hope you're doing well. Merc, Otter Gang in the house, throwing the otters in the chat. What's going on? Good morning there, Pipers. What's going on? Ecola, Ecola, Ricola. Wick 589. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. And yeah, David, where you been? Hey, bro. Oh, you're talking about David Gelfin. Avi, thank you for having babies for us so we don't have to. You're welcome. You are very welcome. No LBC's new time on his channel. X Energy, do you mean the Discord? Wait, what'd you say? Will Allset and Heart be there? Please. God bless you, LBC. LCB? Who's LCB? Anyone else say, hey? She's peeing. Bro, my Xbox froze and couldn't see a... Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what you guys are talking about over here. Of course I'll be there. Oh, sweet. Locked in already. All right, heat unbearable here too. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Sorry, a little bit of low energy today. I am running on fumes. It was another unbearable heat day, and especially when you have to work in it and pool lights. That stuff sucks. LCB sounds like a drug. Yeah. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I think it hit 90 here today, dry. It was horrible. Shut up, Harp. Just kidding. I guess David is your name. Well, it's David, but I go by David or David or Dave, or as my best friend likes to call me in text form, and well, in person too. My best friend likes to call me Dave. How's it going, Dave? He's a goober. Love him to death, but he's a goober. How's it going, Dave? He also likes to call a friend of ours, Chris. His name is Chris. He likes to try to say this crisp. If you're not paying attention, you don't catch it. But he calls him Crisp. What's going on, Crisp? You can put that subtle little P on the end. LBC is a drug. Yeah, I am. I'm a hell of a drug. Bitcoin, where are we sitting at right now? We are at $118,400. We did get a dip. We got a dip down to 115,738 on the Bybit perpetual charts. Let's see. Now the key level, of course, is this green box. Let's just go ahead and minimize this. I've had this marked off literally all week, and we've just been waiting for it to get down here, and it finally did. And it got down also right to the 786 of this low. Come on now. This low to this high. Back test or pullback 786. Now we just gotta go. Get out of here. Nothing has changed with monetary policy. And since nothing has changed with monetary policy, why would anything change with price action? Meaning, everything that we have done for quite some time now, ever since November, when we got our last rate cut, we've just been up and to the right. Hold on. We started over here in November. Now, we did have a pretty long time in this terribleness. But yeah, overall, up and to the right. Monetary policy hasn't changed. This terribleness was what? Tariffs. Or maybe the idea of tariffs. Actually, this right here was the inauguration day, and that was the start of this correction. And then we had Liberation Day, tariffs. Then we had crypto was going to be in reserves, and then we plummeted off after that. And then big money bought because they knew that this was all a setup. Because they're all insiders. They're all insider trading. And we just got to be lucky enough to just be in it and put our pennies next to their dollars. Right? Everyone, please make sure you're subbed to LBC channel. Thank you, because I will be going live there this Sunday. This Sunday evening, I will be going live there. Check it out. I'm going to try to do 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. for me. So there you go. So right now, just looking for this internal range to get broken on Bitcoin right here. This dotted line right here. So we dashed, dotted, whatever. When I get above this high, this internal range high right here. So if we can break above that and then get a back test, then we'll just have to get through this area of resistance at 122K. But we know that we have a crap ton of short liquidations in this range right here. Okay, a crap ton, probably $1 billion worth at this point. Yeah. So if we can break through it, then that should set off a chain reaction of liquidations, and that should be enough fuel to have us break through that resistance. We got a nice triple tap on the same level. See this all the time. And so that's what I am expecting to see out of Bitcoin, is continuation to the upside. I have 18 longs, LOL. Is that good? It's too much. JR missed the long on BTC. Limit buy was at monthly anchor. So yeah, 786 would have absolutely nailed it. I was watching this thing. On the 1 minute chart today, and I almost got in. On this little pullback right here, and I really wish I would have, because that would have been a sick entry. I just couldn't pull the trigger, mostly because I zoomed out and I was hoping to get a bullish divergence on the, it must have been the 4 hour, because we got one on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, yep. But we didn't get one on these lows in here. We got them on the 1 hour. We got it on the 1 hour. Right here. Yep. That's moving down. This is slightly up. That's a bullish divergence. And of course, we bounce. Bullish divergence, key level, 786. Everything was there. Didn't take the trade. But I was also at work, so yeah. But I guess I just got to trust my TA more, even though I'm at work. Just be like, all right, these are my levels. Doesn't matter if I'm at work or not. I'm going to take the trade and see what happens. I can't watch the trade, but it is what it is. I'm a habitual Army Piper, what's going on? Too much what? Too much what? Good evening. It's good, isn't it? Too much. Too much what? I got the trade. Pulled a 94% gain. Nice. Was waiting for proper gap fill at 114K. Yeah, I was thinking that we would probably front run that. Just based on this. We bounced off of the demand level, it's a 786. And yeah, this is a little fake out. Push to the upside. Now we're at the top side of this downwards channel. Just looking to get a break. We get a break, we can make some money. We do have our money flow on the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro Plus, kind of starting to see that curvature to the upside. We do have the trend fusion above the 0 line. We did get our bullish divergence. Where's the true 7? My true set. No, it's on there. Got it as a line. Let's change it to histogram. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that bottomed out right there as well on the true 7. So that's good. And the bearish power bars fading. We had a whole bunch of reversal signals in here. So, yep, now it's just time for Bitcoin to prove itself. So, we'll see. We shall see. What's going on, guys? Oh, well, we'll still DCA Fry payday. There you go. Things are looking really bullish. I agrees. Fat Sammy. It's Ethereum's 10-year birthday today. It was Ethereum's 10-year birthday. Happy birthday, Ethereum. You suck. But for real, that's pretty crazy. 10 years. And it just got a breakout on the 1 hour. That looks nice. That looks really nice. Is it going to give us a back test, or is it just going to keep going? That's the $5,000 question. Pull a fib on it, 1.618, $4,103. Probably likely next stop. Now, I do believe that this would just be the 5th wave for Ethereum, unless it just wants to keep going. I mean, you can have extended 5ths, as I've said before. Just gonna do it like this. Yeah, that looks good. 48. Oh, that's a full Fibonacci extension off of this channel here. $4,799 is a full Fibonacci extension of that range. So, can it get there? Yeah, sure, absolutely. Will it? We'll see. First stop, 4,100. Then we'll see from there. F ETH. 115, I think Runier is looking for. He dropped a short. Okay. I'm in too much, not gonna take it. See, I'm learning. Okay. But you're already in too much. Happy Easter. That's actually pretty funny. LTO, your thoughts? Don't know anything about it. Does anybody know anything about LTO? Let's look it up. I don't just look at charts when I don't know the coins. Weird. LTO network. $9 million market cap. Brother. You saw up 400% today and you were like, oh, what is this? Uniswap, Gate, KuCoin, Binance.us, CoinX. Binance.us, is that still a thing? Do they get new owners? Bvox. Oh yeah, does the government own it now? They did for a minute. Coin Metro. This seems like a decentralized token. Roha, welcome. Thank you. Runir is a trader with Chart Prime. Sweet. I'm pretty sure I know that. Max supply 500 million LTO. Volume for the market cap 76.44%. $6.98 million. So fully diluted value 10 million. Market cap 8.85 million. Circulating supply. Interesting. Probably it seems like a DeFi token of sorts. Oh, wow. Really? Bridge service. Swagger. What is this? Stats token. Get balance. Pending burn. Generate DTO. From token. What is this? Did I just discover something crazy? I mean, I discovered something. What is this? Whitelist? Private key? What is this? Token supply. Transfer tokens through the bridge. Yeah, it's some DeFi thing. I don't know. $9 million? I wouldn't touch it, personally. But thanks for a warm welcome to everyone. I just deleted 2 comments. I'm developing a filter. Hey, good job. LTC back to 110. Is it? Let's look at LTC. Personal favorite. Yep, back above 110. We got not a bullish divergence there. Bullish divergence there though. Hidden bull. Low to low. Low to low. Higher low on price. Lower low on oscillator. It's a hidden bullish divergence. Take out the anomaly, the outlier. Looking good, looking good. It is currently inside of a fair value gap. Get a close above that fair value gap, and that would be pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good stuff, bruh. Distribution. Pretty good stuff, brother. Got this Gen Z kid that works with us. He's got the summer job. He's like 19, 20. He's 20. And he says that all the time. Brother. What's going on, brother? So he's got me saying it now. That's just API database. Okay. Virtual. Oh yeah, LTC. We're just looking for. Want to get above this fair value gap, get that mitigated, and then break the trend here. Would really like to see these highs broken, but are these equal highs? They're relatively equal. They're pretty close to equal. Yeah, that's gonna be a magnet for price. Those equal highs. So LTC, I think, could be seeing a move here soon. I think yeah. Yeah. Looks good. XRP. Sorry, Jesus saves. Sorry. I hope you made your own decision on whether or not you wanted to keep that XRP trade open. And it did drop to $3. Was that even? $3.00. So, XRP holding the low, holding the trend. We'll see if it wants to pop up or not. Get to popping. Everything is going to be about breaking the downwards trend. XLM, same thing. H bar is actually a little bit different. It said, miss me, I'm not even going to go down to that trend line. We are too bullish on H bar, apparently. In a bit of a channel, so once we come up to, if we come up to this level up here, then be cautious. Boom. Something like that, maybe, I think. Consolidate at the highs and then go. I like H bar. Arbitrum's bouncing. Optimism. That's a running flat if I've ever seen one. And I have. Running flat. It's going. Running flats take out highs, and then they come down and they come up short of taking out lows. They are flat corrections in Elliott wave theory. There's a few different types of flat corrections. Take a look, see over here. Paste. Bigger. And we can see the running flat, broken flat correction. Wait, flat correction, extended flat correction. Okay, this is not the one. This is the one, I think. I think this is the one. Okay, you got your running flat right here. Just saying. Optimism looks okay. Opinion on 4-hour ETH BTC. Bullish. The money flow did dip below the 0 line on the chart prime oscillator pro plus. Just barely trying to turn back up. We do have the trend fusion breaking the 0 line. We've got the true 7 Find a curve back to the upside. We've got the volume matrix curve pushing to the upside, and green getting greener and greener, as you can see. So that's looking good there on the oscillator front. I mean, that's, yeah, pretty bullish. Of course, if ETH is about to be super bullish or be bullish in general, like I think it is, then of course ETH BTC would be bullish as well. And that is a typical, wow, hold on. I think that's called a descending triangle. Bullish. I think. Be sure. Yeah. Copy image. Paste. Descending triangle overview, breakout, and chart. I mean, pretty much it, ain't it? The only thing it doesn't have is the back test. We'll see if it'll get that. Now, if Bitcoin gets pushing, that might stall Ethereum for a minute, okay? Which might give it its back test. Or Bitcoin gets pushing, Bitcoin gets a pullback. That makes Ethereum pull back. And then you get the bounce. But this is ETH BTC, so it could just keep going. So, because it's going to be a little different. Not a whole lot different, but it's going to be a little different. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. You got your resistance up there. You've got all of your bottoms in here. Like, equal lows and equal highs aren't going to matter much on an ETH BTC chart. You're mostly looking for those on like perpetual charts, because that's where the money is. Perp charts and futures. Salama. Oh, right down to a key level too, it looks like. Yep, right down to the golden pocket. Looking for a break of the downwards trend, just like everything else pretty much. Just about everything else. Look for a nice bullish break. Anything else? Link, same thing. I mean, literally exactly same thing. Doge. Hello, Doge. Same thing. Sui. Looking more like, was it H bar? Running flat. That looks good. Came down into demand and bounced. Yep, Sui's looking good. CRV. Good night, Jesus saves. Texting and typing, that is. But yes, I'm watching on TV, texting and chat on phone. I'm just bad at typing, but especially when tired. Thanks, Alex, the encourager. You are awesome. What'd you say? Did you take the trade today on XRP? No. I didn't take any trade. Well, I did take one trade. And I closed it. I took a loss. $2, whatever. I jumped back in at 320. 302, not 320. Okay, I was about to say I'm too tired. Good night, all. Good night, Jesus saves. Thank you for being here. God bless. We want more W patterns. Yeah. Yeah. Of course you do. Another running flat on curve. CRV. Personal favorite. We got a bunch of ETH layer 2s that I think we might start seeing some moves on here soon. We got Metis, IMX, Mantle, Starknet. Not looking too great on that one. Polygon, Optimism, another one. I like these running flats. We can just keep on pushing. Now, I don't want to say that for sure the bottom is in. We could come up into supply zones. I think there's been a supply zone in all of these, and then come down and run an expanded flat where you take out both sides of the range. Potentially this low in here gets taken out. So I don't just want to get everybody's hopes up just yet. We do need things to prove themselves. Okay. But we are getting bounces off of good levels, key levels. So we'll just see if they can maintain the momentum. But everything's looking pretty good to me, man. Not a bro, FYI. Jesus saves, not a bro. LOL, you are the best, Alex G. Wait, Jesus saves is a woman? You mean that kid in the picture on Discord isn't you? Then what's the 77 stand for? Okay, anyways. Yeah, she's a lady LBC. Well, good to know. Good to know. Well, thank you, ma'am, for being here, as always. Looked at Solana, XLM, AVAX, same dealio. Well, no, more of an expanded flat on AVAX. Why no? What? I'm so confused. So this is actually an expanded flat here on AVAX. I like all of these. Can you chart ZBCN? Let me see what it is. Yeah. ZBCN. It appears I cannot. Oh wait. Perp chart. It's on Bybit. A little bit of cup and handle going on here. No idea what this is. Trade this at your own risk. Breaking through key Fibonacci levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not though. Power bars sticking to green. Money flows trying to curve back above the 0 line. The trend fusion is well above the 0 line. Pretty good sign of strength here. This is on the daily chart. Look at the 4-hour. Looks like it trying to peak here. Be careful. This one's been running pretty good. So pretty hot. So it could be in for a pullback. We got the 786 here at 0.006. Let's add the Market Oracle Pro Plus. Wow, the dynamic reactor is right up on it. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know anything about this, so there we go. Anchored VWAP following along quite nicely. Yeah, I don't know. I think if you're already in it, then you're probably pretty good. If you're not already in it, I would just be waiting for a pullback before I would enter on it. You have clear demand zones here and here. So watch those levels, and if this continues to break to the upside, then could see a pullback back to this level here. Yeah, just watch these levels. If you get a break above the high, then look for the pullback on top of the high to enter, and then ride it to a Fibonacci extension 1.618 at about 1 cent. You are cracking me up. Good night. The pick is me and my son. I figured that much. Interesting, Martin. Crypto payroll with ADP. I want to know why. I've got to get this thing off of my the bottom part of my computer. It's right next to my computer, and that's why I can hear it in the headphones. I just realized I'm still wearing my headphones. I'm 48 minutes in. Oh, I didn't know. Good night, bro. Jesus Saves has has a kid. Probably Gen Z. So I'm pretty sure he's been called bruh. And I know I have. So. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I know it might be my second to last show, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I am tired and I already know I don't really have the energy tonight. Plus I got to save it for tomorrow night for the final FOMO Friday and the final Markets After Dark. Tomorrow. Crazy. Markets After Dark has been going since November. Was I doing Markets After Dark in my old house? Or was that only Good Morning Crypto? Either way, I've been on Piper Academy for a year and a half, just about. And yeah, we'll save the tears for tomorrow, Alexander G. Okay. It makes me sad and mad. Thanks, great knowledge. Subscribed. Thank you, Fast Hammy. Now go subscribe to my channel, Lunar Beaches Crypto. I'll be starting. I'll be starting the stream over there starting Sunday night, and probably an hour earlier if I can. I'm going to. Yeah, I got to start that routine. So we're gonna start it an hour earlier, and yeah, just be on the lookout. Anyways, been fun tonight. Had a good time. Sorry for the low energy. I really am just absolutely drained from working in this heat, but it is what it is. So yeah, make sure you come back to the channel tomorrow for Good Morning Crypto with BC Port Corp, the morning market report with the Army Piper and the OC guy, and then trade setups with OC in the evening, and then right back here for FOMO Friday AA on Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Mad love. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye.
Flashback goes back in the basement, dreaming of charts, no time for complacent. Now we mad with the team elevation, alumni deep, every name foundation. Jesus said 77 got that light. Melissa One Love holds it down every night. Alexander G, my boss, Queen Job D. Been Emma ready, whole chat nods. RS Miller in the logic and pace, breaking down dead in a silent space. Maybe a bandage with polyrhythm fire. Triplets and time patterns that inspire. All set, hard to bring the tank. Stacking knowledge while the moon boy sank. It's a throwback grind, no gimmick. LBC built this wave authentic. Still the same crew. Dropping 3, 2, 1.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Back in the Discord, with passion, Piper's precision, Bucks never crashing. BC Port Core, Macro locked in. OC got keep it quiet, but he wins. Bring firewall, set, bring steel. Hard truck charts that bend what's real. Maybe in the lab with the rhythm off grid, beating out beats like a blockchain kid. LBC vision, no hype, no fear. Built from the bottom, now the message clear. This ain't just TA, it's timeline travel. We swing the waves, living normies unravel. Throw it back, countdown layered in 5, 4. Drop incoming.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Remember the nights when the screen went cold. No wins, just lessons in gold. We learned that we never fold. Now we rise in the rhythm we hold. Every loss was a line, every bounce a theme. We built this crew from a charted dream. Hollywood the first twist with a time aligns. Alumni born in the climb.
We've been running through the charts, it's a time loop. Every candle like a spark from the old roots. From then to now, still the same crew. Throw it back, what we've been through. Ooh, don't lie, but the charts do.
Throw it back, what we've been through. Throw it back,
What we've been through, yeah.
we learned and we never fold. Now we rise in the rhythm we hold. Every loss was a line, every bounce a theme. We built this crew from a charted dream. Hollywood a twist where the time aligns. Alumni born in the climb. What we've been through, yeah.
trade dreams out of cocoa fate, staring at the charts while the world gets late. 808s hit like a comet through the dark, every fib line's like a glow in the park. Alice G, mod queen divine, she called the shit before it even hits the line. Army Piper speaking signals through the stream, making places like a prophecy dream. Port cork lighting up the AM flame, crypto sun rises in his name. OC God with the line so big, spaghetti charts cooked with 100% intent. We in the madhouse, stars in our sight, trading constellations every single night. From the bottom we rose, now we trot like gods. Celestial moves with the squad at odds. 808s boom while the trend line bends. We don't chase bucks, we transcend. It's cosmic entries, divine exits. Markets after dark where the truth gets lit. Jay on the shadow, slipping through the zone. Ninja on the block, never moving alone. Buck digging deep in the digital minds. Loose cannon with precision, yeah, he read them signs. Frank the tank, bringing vibes and heat. Talk slick, but his charts don't miss a beat. Jesus saves 7, praying with the light. Faith in the levels, trust in the fight. Melissa hold the legacy down. LBC, so she wear that crown. All set, beaming high vibe rays, while heart throw horns through the gamma waves. We in the madhouse, stars in our sight, trading constellations every single night. From the bottom we rose, now we trot like gods. Celestial moves with the squad at odds. 808s boom while the trend line bends. We don't chase bumps, we transcend. It's cosmic entries, divine exits. Markets after dark where the truth gets lit. So if you hear that tone in the void at night, that's not an echo. That's us, still here.